Track legend and business mogul Usain Bolt and his manager NJ are back on their musical track with a brand new single dubbed Winning is a Must. The track was released on Friday and aims on inspiring listeners to keep pushing through their difficult periods in life.
As long as you keep the faith, you must prevail. Pay attention to life details. Yeah, winning is a must. Yes, winning is a must.
Bolt first announced the song on Instagram, where he shared the cover art and a quote by Marcus Garvey which reads, "If you have no confidence in self, you're twice defeated in the race of life. Hashtag winning is a must." In an exclusive interview with E-Prime, manager and artist NJ shared the inspiration behind the song.
The inspiration behind the song Winning is a Must is that as Usain and I continue to grow in the music, we're always exploring ways we can communicate to his fans, encouraging them that they only fail if they never try.
NJ also shared details on the reception they have been receiving from the release of the track.
The response has been positive. People are liking the message. Comments that I've seen, people are saying that the appropriate message in a time like this. As the theme of the song says, don't be afraid to fail. As long as you keep the faith, you must prevail. So it's just about setting that tone, continue to encouraging people, and as I say, the response has been positive. So we are thankful for that, and I appreciate all the support.
The track is a follow-up to the duo's previously released Motivated, which dropped in March of this year. Winning is a Must is available on all streaming platforms. Reggae artist Julian Marley has announced his upcoming EP titled 1692. The artist recently released the first single from the EP, which is a cover of The Paragons' The Tide is High, written by band member and reggae legend John Holt. Marley's new version brings the beloved classic back to its Jamaican roots over a bouncy dancehall beat, while the official music video features the historic Devon House, a heritage site in Jamaica.
It's not the things you do that really hurts me, but it's the way you do the things you do to me. I'm not the kind of man.
1962 is slated for release in September via Monum Records. The EP will follow Julian's 2019 Grammy-nominated album As I Am, which boasts collaborations with Shaggy, Beenie Man, Spragga Benz, and Addis Pablo. Julian is currently on tour in the United States, which will conclude on June 18 before the artist heads to Europe for the summer festival season. Now onto the international scene, where rapper Kendrick Lamar's newly released album Mr. Morale and the Big Steppers has received the most first-day streams for an album released so far this year on Apple Music's platform. The album was released on Friday and marks the rapper's grand return to music following a 5-year hiatus. The 18-track album features guest appearances from Ghostface Killah, Summer Walker and Kodak Black, and tackles issues of mental health and therapy as well as cancel culture. Kendrick is scheduled to embark on a world tour set to begin July 19 in Oklahoma City before making stops in Britain, Australia and New Zealand. I'm Deidre Gordon reporting for E-Prime.